Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get more fuel fast in Honkai. Star Rail so you can keep running missions, farming materials, and leveling up your characters without getting stuck waiting for it to refill. First off, complete daily login rewards. Many days on the calendar give a small amount of fuel or vouchers you can exchange for it. So make sure you log in every day. Next, clear assignments regularly. These daily tasks often reward fuel packs when completed. Don't miss out on limited time events. During special updates, you'll often find bonus fuel rewards just for completing missions or logging in. Here's a pro tip. Use vouchers from the shop. If you have silver or golden travel vouchers, trade them in for fuel packs, especially during events where they offer double value. Also, keep an eye on the simulated universe rewards. Some treasure chests give extra fuel or items you can trade in later. So should you feel stuck with low fuel? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep grinding. Let me know in the comments how much fuel you're saving or using each day. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.